What's up, guys? What's up, fireyourtrainer.net? Welcome to week 6. Slow clap for week 6 because week 6 was special. I'm coming off of last week being a diet break and deload week where I totally bungled my calories, didn't account for the reduction of caloric expenditure. I was way under on my protein last week. I didn't take my body fat. All in all, we'll just pretend week 5 didn't happen. So getting back on track for week 6. No, I can't say that. Week 5 being a deload week was actually one of the best things that I've done. I really needed the rest. I needed the, connective tissue and muscle repair. I needed to relax my central nervous system a little bit. I needed to just kind of find some sturdy footing before moving into the next level of strength training programs. So moving forward into this week, I bumped up to the Novice strength training program. I was thinking, beginner to novice, no big deal. It'll be fine. Just, a little more work here and there and a couple new exercises. And what? Fuck. Damn it, I was so sore all week. Wake you up in the middle of the night because your body hurts sore. I haven't been this sore in a long time. Before the week is out, I may revamp the Novice strength training program again. Started out simple enough. I had push-pull torso, I had push-pull arms, shoulders, I had legs hinge, then I went into the same round, and now I'm starting week 2. But, oh my god, the legs and hinge program murdered me. It was basically everything that I've ever found to be hard in every leg workout, all thrown into one. Anyway, this week, I came back down 0.4 pounds on average. I'm 1/3 of the way to fix my problem, just about. I was up 1% on my body fat. Did I actually gain 1% body fat? No. But because of the way that the bioelectrical impedance handset works, and I'm retaining some water because I'm so sore, it's reading high artificially. So I'm not really worried about it. Whatever, it is what it is. I can't stress to you enough how sore I am. That's played into my subsequent workouts after the beginning of the week. That's played into my sleep. That's played into my ability to control my diet. I started this diet program week 1. I said, I don't give a shit if you work out or not. You can work out, that's an option. Sometimes people are more successful when they don't even work out at all. So I'm finding that the more intense my workouts are, the harder time I have controlling my diet. I want to go back and just nosh on more things because my body is literally craving those calories. And I'm not even talking like hundreds and hundreds of calories. I'm talking like 100 or 200 calories. I'm in a very small deficit and I'm only trying to lose a little bit per week. This week was about on par for what I should have lost. My body wants desperately to be in a surplus. So in future weeks, I may have to taper back the intensity just a little bit in order to be a little more successful with the diet part of it. All that said, I still came in at 112% of adherence. My goal this week was 107 or 108. I came in at 112. That's not too bad. I could have done better, but my protein was 114 adherence, which was, I took my whoopsie from last week coming in at 93, way under what I was supposed to take in, and I just shot that shit out of the park. I was really excited about protein this week, I guess. I was also craving protein this week, probably because I was so sore. If you're gonna go over on a macro, protein is the way to go. You get the thermic effect of feeding, so you actually burn quite a bit of it off in the digestion process. It's better than being over on carbs and fats like I was last week. So my progress pictures this week weren't the greatest. But let me tell you why. So I've got a lot of systemic inflammation, obviously, right now because I'm so sore. You guys should anticipate this. If you are sore, you're gonna hold water. You're gonna look puffier. I got so caught up this morning looking at my before and after pictures at just my belly being a little softer and my back being a little softer. I almost missed the brand new line of fat loss in my hamstrings and my calves. That is fucking rad. I'm so stoked about that because I've been waiting for my legs to start leaning out for years. But I was so hung up on my little bit of puff on my belly that I almost missed it. I almost just chalked this week up as another loss because I was so fixated on my belly I almost missed the hamstrings. I've been working on my inner hamstrings for 2 years straight. I've been doing sandbag training, unilateral training, internal torque, external torque, strong fit training. I've been really hammering my inner hamstrings because I had knee pain, I had hip pain, my deadlift was really crappy. I just felt like something was missing, and lo and behold, inner hamstrings was the key. I couldn't see the forest for the trees, basically. So my little tiny bit of belly puff that I know is inflammation still got under my skin enough that I almost missed something I've been looking forward to for years. It's a big deal, really, when I start seeing my lower body lean out. I know that I'm genuinely leaning out across the board, not just losing or gaining little bits of water weight. So looking forward into next week, I'm starting week 2 of the Novice strength training program. This ought to be fun. I don't know what to expect. I don't know that I'm looking forward to it actually after this last week. Oh, side note, I was selected to compete in the Miss Health and Fitness 2019 competition. It is hosted by Muscle and Fitness Hers magazine. If you win, you get a 2-page spread in the magazine and you win the grand prize of $20,000. So I'm going to drop the link below and please go vote for me. I don't have a shot in hell of winning, but it's not going to keep me from trying because that would be absolutely awesome. Please, please, please go and vote for me. I think that might be it. I think we're done. So that's my week. I will be posting my before and after pictures on Facebook and Instagram. If you liked this video, if you like this series, please like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. I will see you guys next week, week 7, and hopefully I won't come through that door in a walker or in a wheelchair because I'm just dead.